car. It's been sitting out in the rain. We're gonna do a quick video. This is a rinseless wash video, and what my newest favorite has become for just pure cleaning. McKee's 37 F-914. Why, Ben? Why have you changed to this? Well, actually, I used to like the N914, but the F has even more cleaning power and foaming abilities if you want. Now today, I'm not foaming anything. I'm just using this as a rinseless wash, and then I'll soak a bottle in there for pre-spray. I'm gonna be using the new McKee's rinseless wash sponge. And this one is called the Ultimate Big Gold Sponge. So they've changed it up. See how it's got the black and the gold, where the old one was just the all gold. Now this one is a bit softer, but it's old and worn in. And this one is new. So we're gonna play with that again. And then why do I need to use this, you say? Because I don't want to add anything to the car. I want the purest cleaning ability of a concentrated rinseless wash. And then I'm gonna top it with Elixir. That's Carpro's high gloss quick detailer. Now you could use any quick detailer you want, but the whole point of this is the F-914. Guys, I've gotten so used to using this stuff, and I ordered a gallon. I ordered another bottle of this. It is fabulous. They knocked it out the park with this. Once you start using it, you're gonna love the cleaning abilities of it. So let's get going, guys. We'll get started. We'll kind of run through this quickly. And if you want any of these products that I'm gonna use, go over to autoforge.net. Okay, so this stuff, F914, is 1 ounce for every 2 gallons. And that's a rinseless wash. For a waterless wash, it's 1 ounce per gallon, and 32 ounces of water and 2 ounces of the product in a spray bottle for interior cleaner. It has directions on it, guys. Let's get our 2.5 ounces into about 5 gallons of water here. So we're gonna go ahead and mix that up. We're gonna get our sponge. This is the Big Gold Ultimate. We're gonna dunk it. Look at it. I mean, it just starts to foam just by playing with it like that. Now we got an empty bottle here. We're gonna put this in there at the same dilution that we've made. So this will be our pre-spray. Okay guys, first things first, let's get our pre-spray and let's spray down the panel. Now if you're really dirty, you can start at the bottom and work your way up. It's not that we're really dirty, we're dusty with some type of water droplets. All right, so working in the shade, I could actually go further out, but just to show you guys what you should be doing is 1 panel at a time. Go ahead and grab your sponge there. This is the Big Gold Ultimate, and wash. If your car is really dirty, dunk it in again and wipe it a second time. You'll know if it's really dirty if you've got dirt on the panel. Now is the time, if you want, to take your detail spray, spray it on there. You grab your favorite towel. This is the mid-size Glacier 1100, and we're gonna wipe everything dry. Just like that. I'll bring you guys in closer. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you. You can see that right there. So I'll leave it just like that. We'll do this part here. Now we want to wet it, right? And since we have a nice battery powered pump sprayer, we can actually turn it and we can rinse with it. And we're knocking the dirt down. We're rolling it off the edge. You're not pressing real hard, you're just kind of gliding with it. At this point, you can flip it over and you can do a second wipe. Just making sure all the dirt is off there. We'll get our Elixir, our drying towel, and as you can see, nice and clean, spotty and dirty. Oh, hi guys, what am I doing? Little tip here. The drying towel I used for the car, it's damp. You can wipe down the interior, get all the any kind of lint that's spreading around there, dog hair that's flying around, whatever problems you got. Wipe the mirror, the armrests, steering wheels, columns. Just wipe it down with it. It's got enough dampness, it's going to clean the topical area. If you need a little spritz of the spray, go ahead and spray it. It'll work.